So in last number 4, we're going to find the standard form of the equation of the ellipse given ang point at saka ang vertex. So alam natin na ang vertex ay is equals to h over k. So meron na tayong value ng h, meron na tayong k. And then the point is the form x and y. So ang kailangan na lang natin is ang a at saka b to complete that x minus h squared over, depende kung ano ang nandoon sa ilalim, y over k squared over kung ano nasa kailalim is equal to 1. So, kung a is here, and that is b squared. So, kung naanatay h, naanatay k, tapos naanatay x, naanatay y, that means we have to find either a or b, and then the other one is an unknown. So, from that, we can identify the equation of the ellipse in standard form. Same with the center and the length of the major. So, alam natin ang major is equal to 2a, and that means we can find the a, and the minor is equal to 2b, and you've got here as b, we can find the value of b. So, alam din natin na from vertex to vertex, ang alam natin yan, that is equal to 2a, and from here up to there is the same as from here up to here, and that means this is equivalent to a, and this is equivalent also to focus to one of the vertex is equal to a. So that is the same with, of course, you know that one that is a b and that is a perpendicular bisector. So from here, papunta ng point, say for example, this is the point xy, alam natin na the length of this is also equivalent to 2a because they are using the same string. So for example, if you have an equation here, find the standard equation of the ellipse. The origin is our center with the vertices 0, -5 at saka 0, 5. Alam naman natin na ang center talaga nito ay nasa origin because the midpoint of this is 0, 0. So if we are going to graph that one, and we have here the 0, 5. So the other one is 0, -5. And the center is at 0, 0. Of course, that is 0, 0. This one is -5. That one is +5. Therefore, the A is 5 because that is the length of the major axis, which is equal to 10. So therefore, A equals to 5. And then we have an ellipse that passes through 4, 2. So we have here the the x-axis. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 1, 2. So we have here 4, 2. So this is our xy plane. So therefore, ito ang kanyang ang ating ellipse. With the length of this is 10. So ang ating titingnan naman dito is, we know that the center is at hk and h equals 0 and k is 0. And then we have the vertex given 0, 5 and 0, -5. But the most important here is the point 4, 2. Why? Because this one is h and this is k, this one is x and the y, and this is a squared. We got a squared equals 25. Therefore, makukuha na natin ang b. And for that, we can find the value of a b. So that is x squared over, since ang ating y-axis ay ang kanyang major axis, therefore, ang ating y nasa ilalim niyan is ang ating a. So, ang a natin nasa ilalim ng y-axis or y squared. This is b squared is equal to 1. Okay? So, alam naman natin na ang x natin ay 4. So, that is 16. That is 4 squared. That is 16. Plus, ang y naman natin dito ay 2. That is 2 squared. That is 4. And this is equals to b squared. Alam naman natin na ang b squared ay wala. And alam naman natin ang a squared is 25. That is equivalent to 1. So that means we can solve for b. From that, we can also have that 16 over b squared. So alam na natin na 16 over b squared is equal to 1 minus 4 over 25. Okay, so we can have 16 over b squared is equals to 25 minus 4 over 25. And by cross product, we can have 16 times 25, okay, is equals to 21 because 25 minus 4 is 21 times b squared. So, ang ginawa po natin ay cross product, okay. And you have divide 21, this one is 7 times 3. So, our b squared is, so divide 21 tayo both sides. We have cancelled, and you have b squared is equals to 16 times 25, which is equal to, I think, 1,000. 1,000 ba ang ating 16 times 25? 16 times 25, that is 400, sorry. That is equal to 400, and that is over 21. So B is equals to square root of 400 over 21. Okay? So since this is a length, so it means yun lang ang ating kukunin yung bilang. But actually, ang kukunin lang natin is ang B squared. So ang B squared is approximately 400 divided by 21. That is equivalent to 19.04. So that means we have x squared over a squared. So ang b squared pala natin, that is 19.04 plus y squared over ang ating a ay 25, ay 5 I mean, then that is equal to 1. Tama po ba? Ang ating a squared ay 25, and then ang ating b ay square root of 400 over 21 or square root of 19.04. That is b squared is. So ito yung ating equation ng ating. So to have an exact value, x squared all over square root 400 over 21 plus y squared over 25 is equal to 1. So thank you.